Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make up to $500 using Craigslist and posting to people who are looking for your help with your offer with Clickbank. Okay, so stick around and get ready, get set, go. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. As I said earlier, I'm going to show you how you can use Clickbank products, sell them to people who need your service on Craigslist. Alrighty? Alright, we're going to get started on that here in just a moment. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time to my videos or you've been here before and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I sure don't know why you're waiting. Reach down here right now and hit that subscribe button while you're thinking about it, and make sure you click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Alrighty? Alright, great guys. Well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in today's video here. And first thing we're going to do, of course, is we're going to come over here to Clickbank, right? We got to get our product first that we're going to sell. It's easy enough to create an account with Clickbank. Just create a free account. And when you get logged in, you can go to the marketplace, which will be up here at the top. Now, I'm not logged in. I don't necessarily need it because I know my account nickname. So if you know your account nickname already, you really don't have to log in. You can just come over to the marketplace and you see the category here. Now, what we're going to be using is e-business and marketing here. And we're going to sort by gravity. Alright, so we're scrolling down here, and I'm actually looking for right here the super affiliate system here, and you see that you can make $523.18 per sale. Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to, it's a if I open up the page here, it's a sales letter on training on affiliate marketing by John Crestani. Okay, and it's a free webinar that people can watch, and then they can purchase his product, and you make $500 and some for each sale on this. Okay, all right. So first thing we want to do, of course, is we want to get our affiliate link. All right, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to put in my account nickname. And if you want, you can have a tracking ID here. It's optional. And for this example, I'm not going to use one. So I'm just going to leave it at the default here. You can choose native ads and so on and so forth here. And different, if people want to read the sales page and so on and so forth, they can do that. But what we're going to do is leave it at the default. And I'm going to click Generate My Hop Link. And we see it's got the hop link down here at the bottom, right? And then copy that to Notepad, and then what I'm going to do then is come over to bit.ly.com, and we're going to shorten that down. I think I've showed you guys about bit.ly in previous videos, right? It's pretty easy. You just come over here and you just paste in that long, ugly Clickbank link, and then you just click on shorten, and it gives you that nice little shorter link right there, which people are more apt to click on. Okay, so we're going to copy that link right there, and then I'll put it into my notepad here. Alrighty, just to save it there for now. And then what we'll do is we're going to come over to Craigslist. Alright, so we have our product, and then we're going to come to Craigslist. Now, right here at this site particular right here, this is Craigslist main site right here, and I've had quite a few people put comments on my videos when I do the Craigslist videos that Craigslist is not available anywhere other than the United States, which they seem to think it isn't. Well, I'm showing you here right now that Craigslist is available all over the world, as you see right here. Okay, available anywhere in the world. Now, I chose you can choose any city you want in any country. Just click on the country, And of course, I'm in the U.S., so I chose U.S. Now, using the U.S. as an example, you can choose any city you want in any area in a state or city, any area around there you want as well. You can narrow it down pretty good on Craigslist. So for our example here, you want to choose a city more than likely that has a large population because there's more opportunity there, right? More opportunity to make sales, okay? So for this example, I chose Memphis, Tennessee. Alrighty? And now on here, what you want to do when you get to Memphis, Tennessee, you want to come down right here to where it says resumes right here. Okay, and you want to click on resumes, and that opens it up to people that have posted resumes, people that are looking for work, people that need extra money, that are looking for extra income, so on and so forth. This is going to work perfectly for our example here. Now, remember guys that online marketing is a numbers game. It's the more posts that you put out there, or the more marketing that you put out or content you put out, the more chances for you to make sales, right? It's a numbers game. So you can look down through here, and you want to look for people that on any, doesn't matter what city you're in or state or country, doesn't matter, just look for people under resumes that are looking for work, like this lady here, right here, outstanding lady looking for work right here. You come and scroll down here, and you see, as you go down, you can see other people here, legitimate employment, in need of employment right here. You can see a lot of people that are looking for work. Hard worker needing work right here. You see that? Let me zoom in a little on this and you can see it. Hard worker needing work. Jack of all trades. This guy's looking for work. Looking for work immediately. You see that? And looking for work in the Memphis area. And it just it's all the way down here. People looking for work, need a job. All these people that you can use to send your offer to, right? All right, so let's just use this one here as an example here. This lady here is looking for work. So what you do is you want to click on the link. It brings you over to here. Then you're going to click on up here where it says reply. Okay? And then you want to use this email address right here for their listing in Craigslist. You want to use that. All right? So we'll copy that right there. Now, then we're going to come back, and you can use any mail program you want. I'm using my Google Mail. All right, my Gmail account here. All righty. And on that, basically, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and click on Compose right here. All right, now you see that pop up down there behind me, so I'm going to sort of make it a little bit fuller screen here. And then up here where it says to, I'm going to paste in that address. You see that address right there for Craigslist. See that? That's the one I just copied. Now, for our message that we're going to send to her, is I have a message right here saved in my notepad. You guys are welcome to copy this if you want. Well, I'll let you see it when I get it into the mail here. I'll pause for a few moments and let you copy this down, and then you can use the same thing, or you can create your own message, which is really the right thing to do. That's the best way to do it. You want to have your own message, but you can use mine to go by here. Now, so what we're going to do is the subject is going to be right here, the Craigslist resume. All right, so we're going to paste that into there, and then in the body of the message, I'm going to paste the rest of this right here. Okay. If it'll go over for me here. All right. And then we'll paste that there, and then we're not going to put our link right there. We're going to take that out of there. But you can see the message here that you can use. It says we are looking for a few home workers in the area here, and I'm going to put in here Memphis, workers from Memphis that have 4 to 10 hours per week to do online work. And based on your experience, I think you'd be a perfect fit for this. This is not for everyone. You want to give them a little bit of scarcity there. You want to make them curious that, well, why wouldn't it be for me? You want to give them a little bit of curiosity, put in there. So that's why I put, this is not for everyone. It says, we prepared a presentation for you outlining the income opportunity. Please watch through it in its entirety before contacting us. Here is the training link. And then right here, we're going to put our affiliate link right here. I'm going to copy the affiliate link. Better not do that. It'll take the whole message again. Copy the affiliate link there. You see, right? Alright, and then we're going to put that link that we copied right here. Right? And you're going to put that right back over here and paste it in right there. And that'll be a live link to them in their email. And then it says a few requirements for individuals interested in applying this business model include a desktop or laptop computer, a stable internet connection, no dial-up, and some money will be required to purchase a website to make this method work. This will only be available for a limited time, so make sure to register and watch the training as soon as possible. So there again, some more scarcity. Up here, this is not for everyone, adds curiosity. And then down here is your scarcity. And then I'll type in down here, feel free to contact me if you have any questions, right? Or concerns. And I'll just let that go at a period there. Then I'll put down here cheers, and then I'll put my name, Kevin Lehner. Once you get that typed in, now I'll go ahead and put this up so you guys can see it here. I don't know if you can see it there. My Zoom thing doesn't work real good, but if you can see that on here, you can go ahead and copy what I have here, and then you can use that, or it's best to modify it to your own liking. Okay, it's probably the best way to do that. Alright, so, and then all you do after that is just a matter of sending the email, right? So you can, if you need to, you can pause this video and then just copy what I have here in this message, and use that as your guideline to sort of write out your own message. Okay, and then all you do is just click on send, right? And then you see down here it says message has been sent. So then, guys, that's how you do that. And then you come back to Craigslist, and then come back and then do this for as many as you can. Remember earlier I said that numbers, it's a numbers game. The more you send emails, the more chances for you to make this $500 per person, right? Or more chances for you to make money if the more times that you send this. So take 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, whatever, and just sit and take time and go through as many cities as you want or as you can, and look for people that are looking for work, and then you just send them that message, and then they'll be able to watch that video, that webinar from John Crestani on affiliate marketing online. And when they purchase that program of his, you'll make 500 and what was it? $523.18 per sale. Alrighty, guys. Alrighty, guys. That's what I wanted to show you today. A nice way here to make some pretty good money using Craigslist and Clickbank products. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, don't forget to reach down there and hit subscribe and click the bell so you get notified, and give me a thumbs up if you've got some value out of this video. And also, if you want to see my #1 recommended business where you can make up to $4,000 per day, then you want to check out that link you see there at the top of your video. Click down there in the description where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come on over and get signed up on my list and check that business out. And you can have a thriving business up and running in 15 days or less and have your first sale. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's what I'm going to leave you with that, guys. I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.